Hello chosen ones, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Chirili Tuft in Witchspire. To get Chirili Tuft, you'll need to travel to a specific location on the map. If you've established your hearth in the area shown here, then you're already fairly close, as the Chirili crater can be found just to the northeast. If you're still early in your playthrough, you can simply make the journey on foot. Since I already have a broom unlocked, I'll be using it to get there a bit faster. Once you arrive at the crater, head toward the entrance located along its side and make your way inside. As you explore the area, you'll come across these critters prancing about inside. These are the Chirilis that we have to defeat to get their tufts. If you've done some leveling beforehand, these enemies will be quite easy to take down. And because they don't have a herd mentality, they won't gang up on you if you harm one of them. So you can easily pick them off one by one. Now, it's not a guaranteed drop, but it's high enough that you'll have a good amount of it once you clear out the entire crater, and they do respawn, so you won't have to worry about not having enough tufts for crafting. And that's about it on how to get Chirili Tuft in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.